guys, welcome back to Emily and Rimas. Today, I want to wish everybody a Happy New Year, and I hope you're going to have a great day. And Happy New Year to our family and friends. And today, we are opening dartzone Blitzfire. So we're going to unbox this, and stay in the video if you want to see what's next. So we unbox this, and first you have to put the bullets in like all of the rooms inside. Then you have to pull this back if you want to shoot it. Then start shooting like boom, boom. And if you have a Nerf gun, and you don't know how to use it, you can just follow our directions.
Yeah, and one last thing also, make sure
to subscribe.
No, make sure that you guys do not shoot each other in the face. And this is appropriate for kids ages 6 and up. So make sure before you guys buy this for any of your kids,
make sure it's the right age.
Make sure they're age appropriate. And second, make sure do not shoot anywhere in the face, even though they're foam bullets and they're made just for fun for kids to play.
Sitting in the face hurts.
Yes, it sure does. You don't shoot nobody in the face.
And one time when I went to my cousin's house and my aunt's house, the big boy, I can't remember his name now, but he's my uncle. He had a Nerf gun and he shot Lewis in the arm. Yeah,
and it hurts, right?
I know, so I don't know why he did it, but I guess it was just for fun. So let's do it. You're gonna be pushing up daisies.
Bart, but if you do come back, you'll be pushing up daisies.
Found you, varmint. Come on, ever you are. Hope you like our video, and I hope you subscribe because this is the bestest one that I ever liked. Me too. And I hope you subscribe and like and follow us on Twitter, Emily and Lewis 18. And I'll see you soon. Bye.